In this part, we discuss the relationship between the body's major organs and how they govern the systems of muscles, glands, and nerves. In the previous parts, it has already been explained that diseases arise primarily due to coldness. It was also clarified that within the human body, there are 3 rulers and 3 kingdoms, and these 3 maintain communication with each other. The 3 rulers of the body. 1. The heart. The first ruler is the heart. Wherever the body requires nourishment, the heart delivers blood along with the melancholic black bile substance. This may either help in the construction and nourishment of the body, or in some cases become harmful to it. 2. The liver. The second ruler is the liver, which performs the function related to the yellow bile, Safra, in the body. 3. The brain. The third ruler is the brain, which is responsible for the functions related to phlegmatic substances, Balgham. In simpler terms, the heart controls the muscles of the body, the liver controls the glands, the brain controls the nerves. Types of muscles, nerves, and glands. Muscles, nerves, and glands each have 2 categories, although their detailed explanation will come later. Muscles, voluntary muscles, involuntary muscles, nerves, sensory nerves, those that transmit sensation, motor nerves, those that transmit commands, glands, absorptive glands, transporting glands. For now, we will not go into detail about these categories. Naming the temperaments. When stimulation occurs in the brain due to nerve activity, instead of calling it a phlegmatic temperament, a simplified term was used. According to the explanation given by Sabir Sahib, this activity was simply labeled nervous asabi. The idea was not limited only to bodily functions. Even medicines that have a phlegmatic temperament were classified as nervous medicines to make the study and understanding of medicine easier. Similarly, the liver itself is a large gland. All the glands of the body operate under the influence of the liver. Therefore, diseases related to the liver and glands were termed glandular gadi, whereas in classical medicine they were described as choleric diseases, Safrawi. The same principle applies to the heart, which is made primarily of muscular tissue. Therefore, diseases that classical medicine called melancholic, Saudawi, were classified as muscular, Aslati. 3 main classifications. For simplicity, you only need to remember 3 main categories: nervous, asabi, muscular, aslati, glandular, gadi. Do not worry for now about their subdivisions such as nervous glandular, nervous muscular, muscular, nervous muscular, glandular, glandular muscular, glandular nervous understanding. These divisions becomes easier after mastering pulse diagnosis, understanding the pulse. To understand the pulse in the simplest way, if the pulse is very slow, thick, and deep, it indicates a nervous pulse. If the pulse is somewhat thick and strikes the fingers strongly or moderately as soon as the hand is placed on it, it indicates a muscular pulse. If the pulse is fast, thin like a thread, and becomes noticeable when slight pressure is applied with the fingers, it indicates a glandular pulse. The discussion will continue in the next part.